A 60-year-old Randall man was airlifted to a St. Cloud hospital on Friday after he fell off a tractor and the tractor ran over him. The Morrison County Sheriff's Office says 60-year-old Carl Weinman fell off the tractor while putting it in gear. He was subsequently run over and became caught between the rear tire and a chisel plow. Family members were able to remove Weinman from under the equipment before emergency responders arrived. He was airlifted to a St. Cloud hospital by Lifelink 3 with unknown injuries. The incident was reported around 6:30 p.m. Friday at a home about 2 miles east of Randall.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.